In today's video, we'll navigate through the cTrader platform settings. Let's directly move to the bottom left corner settings wheel. A new window will pop up. First up, under the account settings is Properties. It will show your account details like account number, base currency, leverage, etc., and will also let you set a custom account name. Next up is Email Alerts. From here, you can manage to receive emails for different functions. For example, you can choose to receive emails when the take profit and stop loss have been filled. Under the Application section, you can move to General Settings. Here you can choose the language, switch sounds on or off, switch to light or dark mode, manage the layout using the main menu, active symbol panel, and trade watch checkboxes. You can also manage the font size and choose to hide or display the account number, name, and balance. Next up, there are some chart settings. For example, you can tick this checkbox if you wish to directly open a chart from the Market Watch. You can also manage pointer-related settings. Next up is Assets. Here you can change your trading units from volume to units and vice versa. You can also choose it as per asset class. Next up, we have Market Watch settings from where we can choose to display or hide the daily change percentage. Next, we have Notification settings and settings related to quick trade. Lastly, we have Hotkeys for your quick platform navigation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.